In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unlink your domain from Beacons.ai. So if you would have signed up for any of Beacon's paid plans, they would have given you a custom domain, and I'm going to show you how you can unlink this. So perhaps you can connect another domain from a different web hosting company. So what you need to do once you've logged in to Beacons.ai, first just check you've got your domain right. As you can see on my link in bio section, it is currently using my custom domain that I registered with Beacons. Now to go ahead and unlink this, what you need to do is head over to settings. So go to your link in bio or your website, then go to settings, and you'll then see custom domain. Now this is a pro feature. Obviously you would already have the pro plan, otherwise you wouldn't be unlinking your domain. But go to your custom domain here and you can see I've bought one domain through Beacons. We can go ahead and unlink it here. You have to type in your domain again just to verify. Then click unlink domain and it's now going to unlink that domain. Now you will still have your domain here and the management that goes with that. And if you want to at any point add this domain back, all we need to do is go to the custom domain section, just go ahead and type in your domain, click submit, and it will then obviously reconnect your domain to Beacons.ai. So that's how you do it. I hope that quick video did help you out.